The 2013 Dodge Durango. This vehicle, with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Dodge features power windows, power door locks, and cruise control. Safety features include fog lights, traction control, and ABS. Comfort and convenience features include heated power mirrors, premium sound, and satellite radio. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.